Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a 2011 F350 Ford dually with the 6.7 power stroke. Customer called and said they were getting some high-pitched squealing noises coming from underneath the hood. They couldn't quite figure out where it was coming from. We got the vehicle in. We noticed that there was a little bit of damage to the serpentine belt, but more importantly, one of the pulleys that the belt rides on had actually failed, and the bearing was completely gone out of it. Unfortunately, they had driven it too long, and when that pulley failed, it actually damaged the bracket that the pulley bolts to, which also happens to hold the alternator. We informed them where we found the damage, what needed to be done, got those items replaced, put the belt back on, started it up, everything was smooth and quiet, got them back on the road. So if your vehicle's making an unusual noise under the hood, please don't wait. Get that in and at least get it inspected so you know what you're looking at, so you don't cause some further damage that might make the repair more expensive. My name is Dan, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.